standing and symbolize your joy. Enjoy your ride.
Enjoy your ride. Now, Brandon.
The listeners levels here. Children's training. That's it.
At this point in time, there will be no more moving for the carousel. So please remain sitting or standing where you are. Never mind your little ones and enjoy your ride around the kingdom. Once again, for those of you standing, please make sure we are facing forward at all times. To make your horses start, everybody say yee-haw! For those of you that have chosen to stand, please make sure we are standing completely between two white horses. Do not move around while the carousel is in motion. Once again, for those of you standing, please make sure we are standing completely between two white horses. You should not be moving around the carousel while it is in motion. Once again, for those of you standing, you must be facing forward at all times. Do not look behind you. Once again, for those of you that have chosen to stand, you must be standing in between two white horses. Do not stand in the middle of the road.
Your ride is slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated and do not dismount from your horse until the carousel has come to a full and complete stop. Once the carousel has stopped, please look down, watch your step, and carefully dismount from your horse. Thank you. And enjoy your ride for Disney's original Magic Kingdom.